Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Immersive Restaurant emote in Heartopia during the Modular Street event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the event menu and I'm going to open the store visiting. Alright, and here you'll be able to unlock 6 emotes. You can unlock them 2 per week, and these are the emotes for the week 1. I've already unlocked the first emote and this is the second emote. It's called the Immersive Restaurant, and the emote will be called ice cream. I don't know, what is it? Delicious shaved ice. Alright, and we're going to find a bubble to unlock the emote guys. And I'm going to show you the bubble location. So you're going to go to Maximo right here and you will see the bubble here. And we're going to pop the bubble. I'm going to climb this umbrella and wait for the bubble to come, and I'm going to pop it. Oops. Okay, let's try it again. I just climb it. Okay, we can wait for the bubble. It's oh, sorry. Okay guys, I've already popped the bubble and I'm going to show you how the emote looks like. Okay, this is called the ice cream emote. I don't know, I'm not sure. Let me check it. Oh, right here. Okay, delicious shaved ice. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Immersive Restaurant emote in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.